Hello, Creative Gems. Welcome to Creativity. How is everyone today? I'm Sandy, and today I'm going to upcycle $3 store glass jars into a set of beautiful Apothecary jars. For this tutorial, pay close attention on how I make over the lids for each jar. That is the key to making today's set of Apothecary. To begin, I will show you the materials, and unless otherwise stated, all materials are from either Dollar Tree or Dollarama. Jars. The first two jars are glass and were picked up from Dollar Tree. Each of these glass jars has a rather wide opening and did not come with a lid, so I will be making my own. The first lid will be the stopper from a snow globe. I will be upscaling this lid. The second lid will be a lid taken from a holiday tin container. I will be giving this lid a completely new glam look. This third jar here is plastic and comes with a lid. However, I'm not a big fan of the lid, so I will be jazzing it up. For embellishments, we will be cutting a piece from this beautiful metallic silver placemat, as well as a short piece of this silver rhinestone ribbon, which I purchased in bulk from Amazon. Also from Amazon is this crystal doorknob, which worked out to about $1 a piece when bought in bulk. We will also need one small Christmas ornament ball, a string of silver beaded necklace, and some clear loose flat back gems. These ones are left over from another craft project, but was originally purchased in bulk from Amazon. And we will also be taking one of these hanging teardrop shaped acrylic gems. The box set was purchased in bulk from Amazon and came to only a few cents a piece. To give our jars some height, we will be needing a few glass candle holders and one tea light holder. To help us out with today's craft project, we will need some white paint. In my case, I'll be using some leftover primer that I originally purchased from my local hardware store. We will also need some clear tacky glue and our handy dandy hot glue gun. Mine was purchased from Amazon. For our first lid, take the stopper from the snow globe and using some hot glue, adhere the silver rhinestone ribbon all along the side of the lid. We will also add a string of silver beaded necklace as well. And while we work on that, I would like to take a moment to thank all the returning viewers to my channel for tuning in for today's craft project. If you are visiting for the first time, I would like to extend a warm welcome to you. And if you enjoy glam home decor and DIY crafts on a budget, I would love it if you would support my channel by hitting the subscribe button so you can be notified of my future DIY craft videos. Once the lid is embellished to your liking, put it aside while we work on the glass candle holders. Using some Fix-All and hot glue, adhere the mouth of one glass candle holder to the center bottom of the silver glass jar. Wait a few moments and then we are ready to place our homemade lid on top of the jar. Our first Apothecary jar is done, and that was so quick and easy. For our second Apothecary jar, take the plastic jar lid and using your hot glue gun, poke a hole to the center of the knob on top of the lid. Take your time, and when you think the hole is just big enough, insert one of the teardrop-shaped acrylic gems into the hole. It may take a few tries to adjust the size of the hole to get it right. And finally, the piece fits into the hole just perfectly. Now the lid looks so much more glam, don't you think? Now onto the glass candle holders. Using some Fix-All and some hot glue, adhere one candle holder to the bottom of the glass tea light holder. Then adhere the bottom of the plastic jar to the top of the candle holder. And in case you're wondering why I'm using different types of glue for this project, I'll explain. I prefer to use the Fix-All when I need a very secure long-term hold for something that I don't want to come apart. Fix-All also does not dry immediately like hot glue, so I would still have time to adjust the placement of the object that I'm putting glue to. I prefer to use hot glue for something that I want to try and cure quickly and that does not require any strong hold. For instance, if it's for something lightweight. And I will typically use clear tacky glue for everything else. It dries quickly, but not as quickly as hot glue, and offers strong hold but not as strong as Fix-All. Here I'm using some clear tacky glue to adhere some loose flat back gems around the jar. Now that I have both the body of the jar and the lid all blinged out, I will work on the candle holder. On the bottom candle holder, I will also apply a string of silver beaded necklace. You can choose to bling out your apothecary jars as much or as little as you prefer. Sometimes a little goes a long way, but sometimes the more bling, the better. And here's what our second apothecary jar looks like. I'll need suggestions on what to store in it, so please leave your ideas in the comments section. For our third apothecary jar, we will be painting the lid from the holiday tin container. Once the paint is dry, use some clear tacky glue to adhere some loose flat back gems all around the side. Next, take a piece of the silver metallic placemat and cut out the shape of the lid, and then use some clear tacky glue to adhere it to the top of the lid. And for extra embellishments, I'm also adding a string of silver beaded necklace all around the border of the lid. The final step for this lid is to adhere the crystal doorknob to the top center of the lid using some hot glue. Let's see if the lid fits. It's actually perfect, but we're not done yet, as I still want to add a string of silver beaded necklace to the bottom candle holder. This will make the design of the apothecary jar cohesive between the top and bottom. And here is the final look for our trio set of Glam Apothecary jars. Please comment down below and let me know what you would use these for. Perhaps tea light holders? Maybe as candy dishes? or perhaps to store bathroom essentials. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe to my channel and share with other creative gems. Also, remember to hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I upload another DIY glam project. I hope to see you all soon.